Hey you guys, it is Mirski back with another YouTube video. If you like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, subscribe, clap the bell so you can get notified when I do videos all the time, like every single damn day, almost. And yeah, we're just gonna get into the video.
You're attractive, but oh, my heart grew active.
So you guys, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about a law of attraction type method, I guess, or it's not really a method, but it's just something that I want to speak on, I guess, because somebody asked me, and it's, can somebody use the law of attraction on you, or is somebody using the law of attraction on you? However you want to word it, we're going to be talking about that, you guys. So let's get into it. I do believe somebody can use the law of attraction on you to a certain extent, because we all have free will, we all have our own soul signature, and we cannot impose our ill will on other people using the law of attraction, or we can't, force people to do change or do anything to through the law of attraction. Through the law of attraction, it's to a certain extent that you can use the law of attraction on somebody, or someone is using the law of attraction on you. Here's how I believe that the law of attraction can be used on somebody else. So let's say you are constantly thinking about this person, like similar to if you were trying to manifest a crush or whatever, or a text message from somebody. Because I have experienced this before, or my friends have manifested me to text them back and stuff like that, because I'm very poor at that. So somebody is constantly trying to think about you. This is like similar to sending a telepathic message. They're constantly thinking about you. So that's what I believe, to the certain extent that you can do. You can manifest somebody to be around you to a certain extent. You can manifest somebody to love you, but to a certain extent. It's like how if you were to manifest a crush and send a telepathic message, that's what I believe, to the certain extent that you can do. So, is somebody using the law of attraction on you? How would you know that? Well, you would know, for one, if you are always constantly attracted to them, or you are always thinking about them, wanting to be around them, wanting to call them. It's kind of windy. I like it like that. But if you are constantly trying to call them, trying to get in touch with them, something like that, like, I believe that that's a way that the law of attraction is either being used upon you, or that to know if somebody is trying to manifest you. That's just to put it long story short for you, to be quite honest. I'm that's how I feel like somebody can use the law of attraction on you, because you can't, like I said, you can't force anybody to do anything. It is upon them. Like, if I'm constantly thinking about somebody, it's either my decision to hit them up or something, or not. They can't force me to do it by using the law of attraction. You can't say, I want this person to text me, I want them to do this, I want them to come around me, I want them to do this, da 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 da. No, you can't do that. It's only to if they want to, So the other person is allowed to have a decision on whether or not they want you to actually manifest them, or they want to actually engage in whatever it is that you're trying to manifest them to do. So yes, I do believe that the law of attraction can be used on somebody else, but to a certain extent. Yes, there are ways to know if somebody is using the law of attraction on you, which I believe that there are probably more ways that I didn't even list in this video, but that's just what I have experienced and what I do know, the law of attraction, and how it is used on other people. I'll give you an example before I go. So my best friend, she was thinking about me, okay, my twin flame. But this is now that I think about it, it's like, okay, we're so connected that yeah, anytime we think about each other. But like, let me just get into the example. So she was just thinking about me to call her. So I just so happened to call her or whatever, but this was like a minute ago. But I just so happened to call her, and she was like, "Oh wow, I was literally just thinking about you, and you just so happened to call me because I think I missed her call, and usually when I miss people calls, I do not call them back. I do not call them back because I'm just not the type of person that like to be on the phone all the time, or I'd be so busy that I don't text back all the time. But when she did this, when she said that, I was like, okay, yeah, that's to a certain extent that you can use the law of attraction on somebody. Like, if you're thinking about them and they was like, oh, well, I was just thinking about you, and you just so happen to do this, then yeah, because y'all energy is like matching up, basically. Y'all matching the vibration and y'all on the same wavelength. Y'all on the same pattern. Like, so if y'all if y'all trying to manifest similar things, then yes, you can use the law of attraction on somebody, or that's how you would know somebody's using the law of attraction on you. So yes, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, clap the bell, and as well, if you would like to get a psychic reading, make sure you check the description box below. I do sell crystal jewelry. If you would like what I have on my neck right now, or what I have wrapped around me right now, go check on my Etsy page. Will be linked in the description box below. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, make sure that you check out my Instagram at psychic.mir. I will leave it right there. And if you would like to check out any of my other videos, make sure that y'all tap them little cards that be coming up and tap the other shit on the end screen. And I will see y'all in the next video. I love y'all so much. Peace.